next, good morning. Next topic is form events. Events is activity that represents a change in the environment. A JavaScript event is an action that can be detected by a JavaScript, initiated by the user action, but some are generated by the browser. So basically, an event is an activity that represents some changes. When we click or event occur, then some process occurs. So event is an activity. Event is triggered and then it can be caught by a JavaScript function, which then do something responses. So we also have an event handler in that it is a script that get executed in the response to the events. When the event occurred, then it is handled by an event handler. So the main task of the event handler is to enable the web document to respond the user activities through the browser window. Events are specified in a lower cases, and these are also case sensitive. So these are the some event handlers. First object is a button object. The event handler for that is on click, on blur, and on focus. Same way, all the components are having some event handlers, such as checkbox is having a on click, on blur, and on focus. Then the file upload, on click, such. So these are the all the components which are having a different types of event handler. We will see these one by one. So next, this is a simple example which shows onload event. So I have written a, I have taken a body tag in that I have written an onload event. When the form is loaded, the my function will be called. So this is an event. When my form get loaded, automatically the my function will be called and the alert will be displayed as a page is loaded. So this is a simple example of an event. So there are some events of mouse and also of a keyboard. So firstly, we will see about the mouse events. So mouse events are used to capture the interaction made by the user by using a mouse. So first event is a click. When we click the mouse, the on click event occur. The event occur when the user clicks on an element. Second is when I double click the mouse, on double click event occurs. The event occurs when the user double clicks on an element. Next one is a mouse down. When I press the button of my mouse, then the on mouse down button event occur. The event occur when the user presses the mouse button over an element. Next one is a mouse move. This event occurs when the user moves the mouse pointer over an element. It's moving the mouse pointer on that element, the mouse move will be occur. Then next one is a mouse over. This event occur when a user mouse overs the element. Next is a mouse out. This event occur when the user moves the mouse pointer out of an element. Means the focus of that pointer will be out of that mouse. Next one is a mouse up. The event occur when the user releases a mouse button or any. When I press the button, then on mouse down event will be occur. When I release the button, mouse up event will be occur. So these are some events about the mouse events. The simple example of that mouse events is shown over here. I have written a function name as over. In that I have written document.write in bracket mouse over. And second function is function out. Document.write mouse out. So in the basic HTML page, I have taken the on mouse over event equal to over. Okay, when the on mouse over event occur, it will automatically call on mouse over function. Same way for the on mouse out event. So next we will see about the keyboard event. Some key events are there. Key events are used to capture the interaction made by the user by using key. So the first event is on key down. When I press it triggers when a key is pressed. When I press the key, the on key down event trigger. Second one is on key press. Triggers when a key is pressed and released. When I press and release the key in second, then the on key press event occur. Next one is on key up. When I click the key or press the key and then release the key, then this trigger is released or occurred. So below a simple example is as shown on the screen. I have taken a two functions. Function 1 shows the alert a key is pressed. Function 2 a key is released. Okay. In input type text, I have taken a component of a text box. When I press a key on the keyboard, it types something in the text box. Then the events occur and it calls the function 1 and alert is shown as a key is pressed. When I release the button, then another event is occur. Then the alert is shown as a key is released. So this is the simple example of an event that occurs on the mouse and the keyboard.